Stop scrolling. Pay attention. What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars every single month without showing your face, without creating your own content, without spending hours on Instagram? Sounds like a scam, right? It's not. This is real. This is happening right now. And today I'm breaking down exactly how faceless Instagram pages make money. I'll show you how to grow a page from zero to viral, how to make passive income with Instagram, how top creators are cashing in with simple Instagram pages, how to avoid the biggest mistakes that stop people from succeeding. Every second of this video matters, because if you skip even one strategy, you could miss the one thing that could make you $10,000 plus a month. So if you're serious about making money online, keep watching. Most people use Instagram the wrong way. They scroll endlessly. They post random pictures. They chase vanity likes. Meanwhile, smart marketers are quietly making thousands every single month with faceless Instagram pages. Let me show you real examples of YouTubers making money with this strategy. Sebastian Georgiou started growing faceless Instagram pages years ago and built a brand that now makes him millions online. Biaheza, one of the biggest YouTubers in the e-commerce space, used faceless Instagram pages to drive massive traffic to his businesses and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. And even smaller YouTubers like Your Charisma have built highly profitable Instagram pages that make money through automation, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. And the craziest part? They don't even create their own content. So how do these faceless Instagram pages print money on autopilot? Here's the blueprint. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, get paid commissions, no inventory, no hassle. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, guides. Create once, sell forever. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands will pay you thousands to promote their products. Instagram monetization. Once you qualify, Instagram itself pays you for views. Selling your page. Yes, faceless pages are valuable assets. A page with 100,000 plus followers can sell for $20,000 plus easily. The biggest mistake people make? They rely on just one income stream. The biggest moneymakers stack multiple income streams. Here's the exact formula that successful Instagram entrepreneurs use. 1. Pick a profitable niche. Finance, motivation, luxury, business, memes. Some niches. Print money. Others are a waste of time. 2nd, post viral content daily. You don't need to create content. Just repost viral posts with proper credit. 3. Master the algorithm. Reels and carousels get the most reach. Ignore them, and you'll stay invisible. 4. Hook people in 3 seconds. If your post doesn't grab attention immediately, it's dead. 5. Scale and automate. Once you crack the code, you rinse and repeat with multiple pages. This isn't just theory. Successful YouTubers have done this and made bank. Iman Gadzi, before becoming a multimillionaire, he leveraged faceless Instagram pages to grow his audience and monetize with digital products. Biaheza started with small Instagram pages, built them to thousands of followers, and then used them to drive traffic to e-commerce stores and affiliate links. Dan Voss built faceless Instagram pages that helped grow his YouTube business and personal brand. These guys didn't just rely on YouTube. They used Instagram as a traffic goldmine, and you can do the same. Most people stop at just one Instagram page. To make serious money, you need to stack and scale. Here's how. Run multiple pages. The more pages, the more income streams. Automate content creation. Use freelancers or AI to create and schedule posts. Reinvest profits. Use money from one successful page to grow others. Create digital products or sell affiliate offers. This is how YouTubers turn Instagram into a passive income machine. Most people fail because they make these mistakes. Picking a dead niche. If no one cares, you won't grow. Posting low-quality content. If it's not engaging, it won't go viral. You now have the exact blueprint that has made people thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars with faceless Instagram pages. But here's what separates winners from losers. Winners take action today. Losers make excuses. Every single day you wait, someone else is starting. Someone else is taking your spot. Someone else is growing the Instagram page you could have built. If you've watched this far, here's what I want you to do. Start a brand new faceless Instagram page. Pick a profitable niche: motivation, luxury, finance, memes, business. Post at least 3 times a day. Use viral content and credit the original creators. Focus on Reels. They get the highest reach, fastest growth. Monetize with affiliate links. Start earning, even with a small audience. Do this for 30 days straight. No excuses, no quitting, no overthinking. Because in just 30 days, your page could be at 5,000, 10,000, even 50,000 followers. And from there, money starts flowing in. At this point, you have 2 choices. You can do nothing. Stay where you are, or You can take action. Start today. Apply everything you just learned. Build an Instagram page that pays you passively. Change your financial future. The choice is yours. But let me tell you this. If you don't take action now, 6 months from now, you'll wish you had. Let me tell you something most people won't admit. The strategies I just shared, they're insanely powerful right now. But here's the reality. Every opportunity has an expiration date. Right now, Instagram's algorithm is pushing faceless pages like crazy. Small accounts are going viral overnight. People are building businesses from scratch in months. The platform is rewarding new creators like never before. But this won't last forever. Instagram will change the algorithm. Competition will get tougher. The gold rush will slow down. And when that happens, the people who took action early will be sitting on highly valuable cash-generating pages. The ones who waited, they'll be looking back, wishing they started when it was easy. Now let's talk about how to stay ahead, even when things get competitive. Because the real winners in online business aren't just the ones who start early. They're the ones who adapt fast. Here's how you make sure your faceless Instagram empire never stops growing. Own the trend cycle. Watch what's going viral today and be the first to jump on it. If you wait until everyone's doing it, it's too late. Build a loyal audience. The difference between a dead page and a money-making machine, a real community. Reply to comments, ask questions, engage with followers. Leverage Instagram updates. Every time Instagram drops a new feature, use it immediately. New features always get priority reach. This is a shortcut to insane growth. Diversify your income. Smart creators never rely on just one income stream. Use Instagram to drive traffic to YouTube, email lists, digital products, coaching, whatever makes sense for you. Treat it like a business, not a hobby. The biggest difference between those who make a few dollars and those who make life-changing money? They take it seriously. Think about this for a second. If you ignore everything you just learned, where will you be 6 months from now? Still scrolling Instagram, watching others make money. Still stuck in the same financial situation. Still wishing you started earlier. But if you take action, you could be making $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 plus per month. You could have an Instagram page that makes you money on autopilot. You could finally have the financial freedom you've been looking for. Same 6 months, completely different outcome. Which version of your future do you want? This is the most powerful Instagram money-making strategy right now. But here's the thing, I'm only scratching the surface. If you think this was valuable, what I'm about to drop next is even bigger. I'm breaking down the highest paying online business models. I'm showing you exactly how to scale past 6 figures. I'm revealing how to make money even faster. And if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss out. So like this video, comment your questions. See you in the next one. Let's get to work.